In this video, we are going to see about Pandas built-in visualization. There are several built-in plot types in Pandas. Let's have a look at those plot types. Area plot, bar plot, density plot, histogram, line chart, scatter plot, box plot. So let's discuss about each plot types in detail. First, let's import the necessary libraries. Let me create the data set record for the visualization. I'm creating a data frame with 4 different columns. So each column has the values from 0 to 1. So I'm just using the rand function of numpy. Now let me print this data frame. So now this data frame consists of 4 different columns with column names A, B, C, D and 10 different rows with values from 0 to 1. Now let's discuss about each plot types in detail. So first let's discuss about area plot. So area plot is based on the line chart. The area between axis and line are colored. So this area plot commonly compares 2 or more quantities. So let's see the syntax for creating an area plot. So you have to mention the data frame name dot plot dot area of. So this is the syntax for creating an area plot. Now we have obtained the area plot. So here each color denotes the columns of the data frame. So if you just want to change the transparency of the chart generated, you can just apply a parameter named alpha. So I'm just giving the alpha value is equal to 0.4. So now if we just check the chart, the transparency of the chart generated is varied. Okay. So you can also use another syntax for creating this area plot. You can just use data frame name dot plot of, and within the plot of you can pass an parameter named kind, and you can just give the name as area. Okay. So an area plot is generated. So you can either use the syntax df dot plot dot area of, or you can use the syntax df dot plot of. Within the parameter kind, you have to mention the name of the plot. Now let's see about bar plots. Bar plots presents categorical data with rectangular bars. The length of the bars will be proportional to the values that they represent. Now let's see the syntax for bar plot. So data frame dot plot dot bar of. Okay. So you can either use this syntax for creating the bar plot, or you can just use the syntax df dot plot of. You can use the parameter kind is equal to bar. So you can either use any of this syntax for creating a bar plot. So if you just want a stacked bar plot, you have to pass an additional parameter named stack. So df dot plot dot bar of, you have to pass an argument named stacked is equal to true. So by applying this parameter stacked is equal to true, you can obtain a stacked bar plot. So the values of the columns will be stacked one above the other. Now let's see about histogram. Histogram is used to show the frequency distribution of a set of continuous data. The syntax for creating histogram is you have to mention the data frame and the particular column. So I'm just using the column A. So dot plot dot hist of. The histogram of a particular column A will be displayed. So even you can customize the bins by passing the argument bins is equal to, I'm just giving the value as 50. You can also create the histogram by using the following syntax. Df of, mention the column name, dot plot of kind is equal to hist. So any of this syntax can be used for creating a histogram. Now let's see about line plots. A line plot shows a frequency of data along a number line. So it is best to use the line plot when the data is a time series. Let's see the syntax for creating a line plot. Df dot plot dot line of. So you have to mention the parameters. So x equal to mention the column names. So I'm passing the column A, and y equal to, I'm just passing the column B. Okay. So now we have obtained the line plot for column A and B. If you need multi-line plots, so just give the syntaxes df dot plot dot line of. Okay. So now multi-line plots of various columns of the data frame is created. You can also use another syntax for creating the line plots. Df dot plot of, you can pass the parameter kind is equal to line. Okay, so you can use any of these syntax for creating a line plot. The next type of plot is scatter plot. Scatter plots are used to show the relationship between two variables. Scatter plots are sometimes called as correlation plots because they show how two variables are correlated. The syntax for creating scatter plot is df dot plot dot scatter of, you have to pass two variables x and y. So I'm just passing the column A as x and B as y. So now scatter plot of variables in A and B is created. Now let's see about box plots. A box plot displays the distribution of data based on a 5-number summary, that is minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile and maximum. A box plot can tell whether outliers are present in the given data set. The syntax for creating box plot is df dot plot dot box of. Now the box plot for various columns of the dataset is created.